Yan, so for those who are trying to find a lot na for sale o house for sale, yan, may mga available lots tayo ngayon and houses, no? Meron tayong for sale na lot ngayon for 40 square meters in San Jose del Monte. No, but it's very near to SM Fairview, about 30 minutes drive lang. Nandun ka na, no? And meron din po sa village, ano na siya, e-bike or e-jeep pala, sorry. E-jeep or jeepney na coming out of the village. Direksyon na yun ng ng Cubao. Yan. And yung 40 square meters na lot na to is only 370k or 370,000, no? So paunahan na lang sa gustong tumingin o naghahanap ng murang lote. Ito mura na talaga to, 40 square meters at 370,000 pesos, and malapit siya sa schools, sa colleges, no, sa schools and sa churches, sa market, sa mga 7-Eleven, Alpha Mart, sobrang lapit, Walter Mart, SM, yan. So a very nice location, prime location po, no. So if you're interested, please PM nyo po kami or give us a call, no. Nandito naman sa video yung ating we'll put the details with it, and pwede din po kayong mag-PM para we can reply to your inquiry. We also have 4 bedrooms na house na about 240 square meters yun, no, kasi 120 per lot, pero may second floor pa yun. So it's quite larger than the usual na mga houses, no. And meron na siyang 2-car garage, very secured na rin kasi yun double gated pa yung car garage niya. And just in case na interested kayo and you want to take a look at it, we can schedule a viewing naman po para makita nyo yung vacant lot at saka yung house na available na right now, no. So thank you for viewing our content, and sana po if you would like to also, if you have a friend that also interested mag-invest, ito po napakagandang investment, may it be the house or the lot, kasi sobrang ganda ng location. Ang daming tao po na nagpupunta doon at marami ding very accessible sa lahat. So napakaganda po. Better than other villages yun, no, kasi nakapunta na talaga tayo doon, ilang beses na tayo nag-viewing, and also meron ding church kami na malapit doon sa lugar na yun, kaya alam ko po. So if you're interested, PM us. Yun, till our next video, bye.